Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we got one for you today. It's something I've never even thought about doing before. We had a question on one of our videos. Somebody wanted to know, they bought the lifetime package with Divi, wanted to know how you actually download, install it on your various websites you want to build. Well, it's really easy, so we'll go through that today. I've got a installation of WordPress here. It's just a regular vanilla install of the latest theme here, and most hosting packages will have an automatic setup for setting up WordPress on your domain. Have a look at your hosting details for that or contact them. Usually it's just a one button click to get WordPress installed. So I've got WordPress installed here. Okay, once you've signed up for your Divi package, go over to elegantthemes.com, sign into your account. Once you've done that, you've got a little drop down right here. You can go to your product downloads and download whatever products you've signed up for. Here's the Divi theme right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit download the Divi theme. As you can see, it's downloading to my browser here. I'm using Google Chrome for this today. Once it's downloaded, you can go back to your website, go down to Appearance and then Themes. Like I say, this is just a fresh install of WordPress. We're actually using the 2023 theme at the moment. I'm going to keep perhaps the 23. I'll delete the others though in a moment because you don't need to keep too many. You just want to keep one for backup reasons if Divi actually fails. So I'm going to hit the Add New button. I'm going to hit Upload Themes. And you can either hit the Choose File button and browse to your downloaded Divi theme or wherever you've kept it. I'm just going to drag mine up from down here and simply just drop it right there. Go ahead and hit Install Now. And it's told me it's installed it successfully, so let's go ahead and activate it. Great. And as you can see, it's set Divi as the active theme here. I'm going to go and I'm going to delete this one. I'm simply left clicking on it, hitting the delete button. And let's delete this one as well. I'm just going to keep that one for backup purposes. Great. Well, the next thing we want to do is actually activate our Divi. Once activated, we want to register it so we can get downloads and updates. To do that, once you've installed Divi, you'll see a little Divi icon down here on the menu. Simply go there, go to Theme Options, and at the top here we can go over to Updates, and here we need to enter our username and the API key from Divi. So we need to go back to elegantthemes.com, the members area. Remember, we're signed in here. And under the Account tab, just go down to Username and API key. Now I'll have to blur this out obviously, but I'm going to go ahead and click on it. We roll down a little bit. Here's my API down here, and all I need to do is left click to copy it. It's been copied now, so I can go back to my theme options on my site and simply paste it in there. When you've pasted it in, hit the Save Changes button. And you're good to go. Little green check mark there. So we're going to get this updated at all times now. And that's all there is to it. We now got the Divi theme installed and activated on the site. And there it is. And from then on, you can start building and doing what you want. If you're new to Divi, have a look at our Divi Basics playlist down there. That'll get you pointed in the right direction. So there you go, guys. There's how to download, install, and activate the Divi theme for your website. And it really is a fantastic platform. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. Don't forget, if you've got any questions, please drop them down below in the comments down there. I'll do my best to answer them or make a little video demo for you. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.